crypto is this incredible, fast, super high velocity, creative destruction cycle. You don't know what's going to be really valuable until the bottom of the cycle. The things that survive become the best trades. Solana, Ethereum. So Ethereum in 2019, Solana in 2022. So what you need to see is when those things go down 95%, everything goes down 95%. So now you've got all of these things at a discount. Your job is to find out what really has network effects, what is really powering an ecosystem. But then you looked at Solana and there was a ton of developers building. The community was like focused. Tolly was a good leader. You're like, okay, there's signal here. So I like the cyclicality where you wash out all the bad ideas. People are testing innovation. And that's good, right?
Billionaire investor Raoul Pal predicts that Bitcoin could reach $200,000 to $500,000 by 2025. Despite all the hype around Bitcoin reserves plans, the cryptocurrency has yet to break above 100,000. However, investors remain optimistic, especially in light of Donald Trump's potential return to the White House. Cryptocurrencies are enjoying growing political support, and new policies focused on stimulating the industry rather than restricting it seem to be emerging. Paul is among those who have high expectations for Bitcoin this year. The cryptocurrency market is abuzz with optimism, and Paul has shared a bold prediction for Bitcoin in 2025. Paul analyzed past trends and current market conditions and concluded that Bitcoin is headed for a strong year, supported by global liquidity and a maturing market. Paul compares the current market setup to that of 2017 after Trump's election, when Bitcoin surged due to constant liquidity inflows. This time around, he believes China could play a bigger role in driving global liquidity. While Bitcoin has seen wild price swings in 2021, Paul argues that the market has since evolved. With Bitcoin ETFs and a more stable investor base, extreme price drops may be less likely. If Bitcoin hits $100,000, he only expects minor pullbacks, possibly dropping to $90,000 before recovering. According to Raoul Pal, these are the reasons why Solana might do very well in 2025. Before we move forward, if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto events and news, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. Now let's get back to Raoul Pal's view on Solana and the overall crypto market.
We're now in the part of the cycle which tends to be what I call the banana singularity, when things start to get really crazy. We've seen that with the Trump coin and whatever. I think there's a broader deal that's going to get done with the dollar and China. And I think the US is been using the strong dollar as a negotiation point with China. China can't stimulate its broken economy right now until the dollar weakens, because if not, if they stimulate, they'll break the peg against the dollar, which they do not want. They don't want capital flight. So you need the dollar to come down, and then the Chinese can stimulate and help the world economy recover. The US knows this, and it's a tool for everybody.
Paul also shared his bullish outlook on two cryptocurrencies, Solana and Sui, in the long term. Paul believes that Solana, the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market cap, is stupidly bullish on long-term timeframes. In his analysis, he noted that Solana recently broke a major resistance level on its chart, which has been holding it back for over 4 years. He suggests that for Solana to continue its upward momentum, it needs to sustain its price above its November 2021 high, which is above $250. According to his analysis, Paul's target for Solana price discovery is $410, as indicated by the 1.618 Fibonacci level. The hype around Solana is further fueled by the announcement of Winternit's Vault, a new solution that uses quantum-resistant hash functions to protect Solana from quantum computing attacks. Paul also warned that Solana's supply will face large-scale token unlocks in Q1 2025, which could create selling pressure in the market. Despite this, he remains optimistic about Solana's long-term potential. Paul is very bullish on Solana. He highlighted Sui's recent price action, where it broke a major resistance level at $4.88. SWI's momentum is likely to continue as Paul believes the cryptocurrency is ready to enter hyperspace after breaking through this key resistance. Paul noted that SWI is breaking out of an inverted head and shoulders pattern, a bullish indicator that signals considerable growth potential. As Solana remains a reliable second cycle protocol and XRP continues to show strength, Paul believes that reallocating assets from Solana to SWI could yield higher returns. According to Paul, SWI, as a newer and riskier asset, has greater potential to generate alpha at this stage of the market. SWI has been one of the best performing crypto assets of the current market cycle. SWI recorded a staggering 413% year-over-year growth, far outperforming XRP's 250% growth. The token's price discovery phase mirrors Bitcoin's earlier days, breaking several all-time highs. Paul expects SWI to surpass $5 soon, maintaining its dominance in the bull market. He believes that the token's rapid growth reflects strong market sentiment and technical resilience. Paul stressed the importance of concentrating investments rather than over-diversifying. He revealed that 80 to 90% of his portfolio is allocated to leading tokens like Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, along with smaller positions in high-growth assets like SWI. Paul's forecast highlights SWI's potential to redefine investment strategies in this bull market, given its continued momentum and market positioning. Investors and traders are closely watching SWI's performance as it continues to outperform its competitors. Paul predicts an exponential era driven by AI, robotics, blockchain, renewable energy, and biotechnology. Paul has described what he calls the exponential era, a period he says will be defined by rapid technological change that could upend traditional industries and societal norms. Paul points to artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, blockchain, renewable energy, and biotechnology as the main forces driving this transformation, which he believes will change everything from business models to investment approaches. Paul predicts that AI will soon surpass human expectations, especially in financial markets. He suggests that superintelligent AI systems built from vast market data could outperform human traders and generate new levels of wealth and competitive advantage. Paul believes that by 2030, AI could be so advanced that traditional economic systems could be irrelevant. Paul predicts a wave of productivity gains across all industries driven by rapid advances in AI. As AI moves towards artificial general intelligence, where it matches or even surpasses human intelligence, it is expected to revolutionize the way industries operate. Paul believes we have a limited window to prepare for the disruptions AI and automation could bring. He advises investing in assets that are likely to hold their value over the long term to provide protection against potential economic changes. By 2030, he predicts global markets will be transformed by AI, ushering in an era that could redefine wealth, productivity, and economic resilience.